Hello and welcome to this short video to show you how the Flow Tool platform from DVW Analytics can be used to allow any user to automate their SAP processes. Give me a couple of minutes of your time and I'll show you an audit use case which automates the task of reconciling SAP postings against physical documents. And we'll even throw in some AI along the way. Here's the task we want to undertake. With postings that were made manually into SAP some time ago, and the DVW tools allow us to extract the details of those postings directly into the Flow Tool platform. The Flow Tool can also then be used to extract physical invoices which have been attached and saved in SAP, and we can then use our AI agent to read the details from these. Finally, we can compare what was posted in SAP to what should have been and report on any issues. All of this is done in the DVW Flow Tool platform, a low-code, no-code data wrangling solution with a focus on all things SAP. Let's see it in action. The platform has many tools to cleanse, enhance and manipulate your data, as well as read data from pretty much any SAP system and object. You simply select the tool for the job and drop it into the canvas. It's then easy to select the output format needed, and so bring out just the fields that you need, and it's simple to change this at any time in the future. Next, you filter on absolutely any field to bring back exactly the data that you need. So that allows you to focus just on the data that's relevant, and we can take that one step further by providing lists of filters from external files or even other SAP calls to control the data dynamically. Now, in terms of our use case, that means I can define the financial postings I'm interested in and nest SAP table calls to get the full picture of what was posted. I can then enhance this data as needed, maybe using text from SAP or elsewhere to replace the SAP technical names, so the data is ready baked to use in our reconciliation. Now for the second stage of the process. Here we look to find and extract any attachments that have been saved in SAP. You can see I've found 2, but it could be 200, there's really no limit, and they've been saved to a local directory. Next comes the really cool part. The DVW platform has an AI agent which uses the LLM of your choice to extract the details from these invoices. You simply pass the invoice documents in and out comes the data. We've now got the data which should have been posted and the data that was posted into SAP. So the next step is to compare these, and DVW has a reconciliation tool that does exactly that for you. Compares every field of every row and tells you where they don't match. Finally, you just have to communicate those issues, either by creating a file, maybe sending an email. You could even automatically correct errors using the SAP Write functionality available in the DVW Flow Tool. And so you've created an end-to-end SAP process with ease which will save hours of laborious work. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation. If you'd like to see more, come to dvwanalytics.com. Thank you.